troops of monkeys, feasting on the flowers and fruits of the giant trees. Because monkeys are always at risk of falling, they need forward-facing eyes to judge the distance to the next branch, which means they have a blind spot. The harpy eagle, with talons as long as a bear's claws and a 2-meter wingspan, it's the master of the aerial ambush. If a monkey is under the canopy, it's out of the harpy's reach. It's only when one breaks cover that it becomes available. The harpy's way of hunting comes at a price. To fly with prey as heavy as a monkey, it must build enough muscle to become the most powerful eagle on Earth. Raising a harpy chick, therefore, takes an extraordinary commitment. Harpies have the longest period of parental care of any bird of prey. They feed their chick for up to 2 years. In that time, the parents will bring it over 200 monkeys and sloths. At the end of a year, it's fully grown. But it's far from the finished article. There are more straightforward options for the chick's first encounter. A 3-toed sloth, the slowest prey in the jungle, with no way of escaping an eagle. It should be a formality, but even sloths fight back. It's a valuable lesson. Hunting the jungle's larger animals is never simple. The chick must raise its game soon. After all, this is its parents' territory. If it doesn't start hunting for itself, even after all their efforts, they may kill it to make way for another that will.